What's going on, guys? I'm the KyloRylo. Welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do these exponential growth problems. They're pretty straightforward, pretty simple. They're actually, I'd say, fairly easy. The hardest part of these is to really just understand what the variables mean in the formula and how to solve for it. But then after, you do one or two, you'll be super great at it, super expert at it. So I have a very common problem right here. So the population of a colony of rabbits grows exponentially. The colony begins with 5 rabbits. 5 years later, there are 350 rabbits. Express the population of a colony of rabbits P as a function of time T in years. So the things important to note is we start with 5 rabbits. 5 years later, 350 rabbits. And there we want P as a function of time. So we have to express the colony of rabbits as a function of time. So we're going to have the variable T in the formula, and that's what's going to be there. So, excuse me. So the formula looks like this. Change color. Feeling orange. Okay. So P of T, is equal to P times E to the power of KT. So P is the principal. So right here, the Y value, I guess you could say, is your final amount. So in our case, that's 350. The P is your principal, the starting amount. So, which is 5. We start with 5 rabbits. Then we go to 350. So 350 here, 5 rabbits here. E is a number, Euler's number, whatever, 2 point blah, 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 blah. We got K, which is the rate of growth. We don't have that. And we have T, in our case, is 5 years. So what we got to do is we got to plug in the variables that we do have into the formula. So that gives us P, so that is 350 is equal to 5 times E to the power of K5. All right, it looks a little messy, but yeah. So, pretty straightforward here. Now it's just algebra. So we're going to start by getting rid of the principal amount, which is 5. So we're going to divide both sides by 5 to get rid of it. So that leaves us with E to the power of K5. So now that we do that, 350 over 5, I think that's 70. I should probably check. I'm going to say it's 70. I think it's 70. So we got 70 is equal to E K to the power of 5. Next, we want to get rid of the E. To get rid of the E, we use natural logarithms, ln. So we take ln of both sides. Let's just, do like that. So ln of 70. So when you take ln, the E disappears and it brings the K and the 5 down. So this equals 2K times 5. Super straightforward. Now what we do, as you could probably know, now we want to get rid of the 5. So we get rid of the 5. How we got rid of the first 5? By dividing by 5. Wow, my writing is bad. All right, that's... How do I erase this? Nope. Yeah, let's patch that up. Yeah, you guys deserve a better 5. All right. There we go. A little more readable. So 5 is equal to K. So we have this is equal to K. Now all that's left to do is carry out this operation and round it. I'm going to bust out my calculator real quick. This is gonna round to like point K is equal to 0. Let's say 85, 2 decimals. So 0.85. So now we have all the pieces. So we just plug it back into this function. So express the population of the colony of rabbits P as a function of time T in years. So we're gonna have P T is equal to 5e to the power of 0.85 times t. That would be final answer. That is the formula. So PT is equal to 5e to the power of 0.85 times t. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Tell all your friends about the KyloRylo and how not only does he play Rocket League, he teaches you math. Because it's not all about fun and games. It's also about math and all that fun stuff. So, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Your boy KyloRylo out.